It's very simple. If you are not in the circle, all I want you guys to do is jump up and down with us, okay? Is that okay, Wembley?